guys, welcome back to the channel. Hot summer day. We're gonna do some Lotus Exige content. So you guys have been liking the CELICA. We're gonna back the CELICA out, move the FRS out, bring in my 2006 Lotus Exige S. No, it's not an S. I wish it was an S. There was actually an S for sale, and they wanted a lot of money for it. And I kind of wish I had gotten an S. But no, we're gonna stay with my non-S right now. We're gonna bring it in. We're gonna do some nice, tasteful GRP mods to it. Let's back out the Toyota Celica 2ZZ, back out the FRS over there, and then bring the Exige in here. Good news, my MR2 is getting tuned, which is a 2ZZ turboed MR2 6-speed. So I got a lot of 2ZZs this week. Woo, I'm excited. Okay, let's go ahead and pull the Celica out, get the GRP stuff, and I'll show you what we're gonna do today. Obviously, probably my favorite car. Absolutely insane. 2006 Lotus Exige, ultra rare, one of nothing. Go find another one of these. So hard to find. You never see Exiges. You'll see Elise every now and then, but an Exige, in America, you're never gonna find it. This car took me forever to find. I wanted it so bad. I found it. It's mine now. Okay. So the car is currently on. Let's turn the car off really quick. It must be 100 degrees here. It's hot. So I brought the car in. It shut it off. Here's where it is. We're gonna review it real quick, and then we're gonna do it in. This is just gonna be. You're gonna see on my channel like video after video after video after video with their individual topics, individual thumbnails. This is the beginning video. We're gonna do the boring stuff first, and then get into the very exciting stuff at the very end. And it'll be banger, 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 and then we'll go to the MR2 SPYDER Turbo. Banger, and then we'll go back to the Celica GTS, and then we'll go to the FRS. So I'm gonna do a ton of mods on this thing. I really have wanted to do this since I bought the car. What I've learned in the car community as an owner is that if you buy a car and you own it for a while, and then you put a good mod on it, you're like, I wish I put this mod on it like 4, 5, 10, 20,000 miles ago. That's my experience. So I've noticed is that like I like to put all the good stuff on immediately and then enjoy the car. What I've been doing is building the car, and then like when it's all done, I just sell it. And it's like a huge mistake. Like I'm like, oh, I wish I would have enjoyed it, and I can't believe I forgot all I did that stuff, and I only drove it with like 100 miles with that cool stuff on. So resolving that issue right now, get the car super cool, and then drive it a lot. Boring video first. Literally, this is a boring video. Lotus Exige slash Elise windshield wiper. I need a new windshield wiper. 22,000 miles on the car. I bought it with like 18, like 18.5 or something like that. And this has been driving me nuts. It does rain every now and then, and I just drove this car like 500 miles, like one of the longest ones besides bringing it back to Washington. And we got caught in rain, and it literally rained the whole time, and I had an old windshield wiper. So this is how you install, right now, this is gonna be a thumbnail, the right windshield wiper size. First things first, we're doing Rain-X brand. You can get an OEM brand, actually, believe it or not, it's expensive. This windshield wiper right here is $17 after tax. It's like, I don't know, $16.50. $17 after tax. So this is the side beam. I think it means it's just a single beam here. I think that's what it is, and not with the little spines or the little web things. This is just one beam. B26-1. So this is an expert fit. It should bend enough to the weird windshield wiper. Is it the full length? I'm not sure. All I've read is that, and I want you guys to see this, is that sometimes if it's too long, it'll get caught here. This one's super old with the spine. You can see little spines in here. Super simple to remove. So literally, guys, if you've never removed a windshield wiper, I don't know if you should own a Lotus because you're probably going to be doing some stuff yourself. All you have to do is push this pin inwards and push that down. So we'll do it right now. Perfect how-to video. Okay, so as you can see with this one, it literally has tons of bend. Look at that, how it's curved. So it should automatically curve to the window. This one's old, worn out, and then has like that spine. Super simple. Make sure that it doesn't come back down and smack right here. You actually might even want to put a microfiber there to make sure that it doesn't come and break it. The Park Place of Bellevue broke my EVORA windshield and they charged me $2,400 for a new windshield. Don't break these windshields. Oh, that was highway robbery. Anyways, that means that you don't want to break it. So the next thing you're gonna do is look at this one right here, $17. It's really nice. The rubber's soft. It's not dried out and cracked. This has a cool little cover for it too. So all you gotta do is just literally reverse the steps. Again, I wanna show you guys the product because you're gonna type in Lotus Elise Exige windshield wiper and my video will be the first thing to pop up. B26 works. There's only one. You only need to buy one. You don't need to buy two, half the cost. Lotus is affordable. All you have to do is slide it on right here. It'll go right onto the OEM fit. This right here you can pull up with a fingernail, or if you're not strong enough or your nails aren't strong enough, you can use a flathead and then it'll come up and it'll allow it to slide in, and then you push back down. It'll give it a nice clean aesthetic, actually more aesthetic than the other one. Now watch it. I haven't put it down yet, but it'll hug the windshield. See? Perfect. Look at that. Perfect fit. I would say it's almost a little bit long, to be honest. Let's see here. No, it's good. And look right here, it's gonna hug on this. And I think as time comes, it'll sit even more. But look right here. You might be able to even slide these suckers out. Let's push those all the way out and see if that brings it out too. I did the same thing on, these are like adjustment bars. Let's see if that helps. Does that help or make it worse? Let's try it. Let's put it back in the middle. Oh, it makes it better. So we'll put it back on the side there. That I think is good. That looks awesome. It should work. I have no issues with it. So I'm gonna set you guys down and I'm gonna actually put windshield wiper, not windshield wiper. I'm gonna put some Windex on it and then go back and forth and we'll track the line to see if it's good. What we're gonna do is we're gonna spray the window with windshield wiper or Windex. Right, you guys see that? And then you'll be able to see the line. So let's watch the line on there real quick. Yeah, that's perfect. Look at that. So we're gonna bring you guys back over here. So you can see it came all the way up here, perfect, across, and then all the way down to here. That is a perfect windshield wiper, right in the driver view. Not too long, too far where it hits the frame, and then it's maybe an inch. Now you wouldn't want to do it; it would go off. So it's a perfect fit. It hits everything. I love it. That's it. Let me wipe the windshield clean. Okay, just like that, super easy. You can do this. Don't pay a shop money. Don't pay the Lotus shop a bunch of money. You can do this. It's $17. There was the Rain-X right here. Rain-X Beam B26. 26 inches works. You don't have to get this one. Just 26 inches. So you don't need a 28. You don't need a 24 or 25. 26 inches works fine. Get the 26. You're going to be happy with it. You saw the pattern. Did a great job. Okay, next video, make sure to like and subscribe. What are we gonna do next? We're gonna do the exterior side markers. That's what we're gonna do next. I currently have some yellow, or not yellow, just clear ones that don't look good. We're gonna do some smoked ones. Swing by MITSUBISHI.com. I'll see you guys in the next video.